Smells like a leather store in here.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice, man. I just want some comfort, you know? Woo! That's nice. These are sweet. I can even kind of, yeah, they're not crazy soft, but they're gonna they'll break in, obviously. But man, they already have a nice cushion to them. Like, they're not rock hard. I was worried that these were gonna be hard. Oh yeah, nice little bolster. These are really sweet, you guys. So these are full leather. I went with the perforated leather. And very cool. Well, I'm very excited to have these new seats in the car and looking forward to actually, you know, getting some time in them and seeing how comfortable they prove to be. I haven't really spent hardly any time yet. I just installed the seats maybe a few days ago at this point. I need some tires for the Olive car, so I'm on cords on my front tires. I need to wait for that. But so far, I'm really impressed just with the quality, you know, of the seats. These are Desert Torino, sold by Mr. Fiat here in the States, and so I'm very impressed. You know, it was great. It was great dealing with Mr. Fiat, and I really just wanted a set of sport seats because, you know, it's that perfect seat for an early car, and it obviously gives you more comfort and a bit of support in turns, you know, which is awesome. So yeah, I mean, I can't really say much more about, you know, what I think of them until I kind of really break them in and spend some time in them. The only issue with the installation process was with the rails themselves. So you have the sliders that bolt to the installation rails, and the threads that fasten the sliders to those rails were bad. They didn't, all the hardware that they sent me was awesome, but those threads were no good. They were too small. So I had to take my tap and die set, you know, and I just cut new threads. But other than that, it was awesome. In fact, you know, the quality of those rails is very good. The sliders is very good, and the seats are excellent quality. The smell in this car is awesome. So loving that, and really looking forward to, you know, seeing how I like these over time. But I think I'm really gonna like them. Thanks a lot for watching this video, you guys. If you enjoyed, hit the subscribe button, bell notification to know when I post videos. And you can also check me out on Instagram. I'm mgideon_ on Instagram. See you guys on the next one.